He doesn't buy you presents. He doesn't try like he used to when it comes to giving gifts and making all your occasions memorable. Maybe your birthday, he stopped caring so much, or he forgot your birthday, or maybe he didn't get you what you wanted. I want to talk about these scenarios because I understand how important it is for women and how hurtful it can be when it feels like your partner just isn't investing the same amount of attention into you that they did before, whether it be with their time or financially. My name is Ellie. I'm a relationship coach. And just like you, in one point of my relationship with my husband of 7 years, we had conflict over these things all the time. And I didn't understand what he didn't understand about what I valued, why this was so important to me, why he was dropping the ball. I'm going to tell you why this is happening. I'm going to tell you what you can do to fix it. And in exchange, I would really appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up button to let the YouTube algorithm know that my video was helpful so that this can be shown to other people. And if you want to see more videos from me, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You might not like what you're going to hear, but I'm going to tell you anyways because I think that knowing the truth and accepting it is going to be one of the most helpful things for your situation. The reason why he doesn't do it most likely is that your value in the relationship has dropped, and therefore so has his attention and his desire to go out of his way to do something for you. This does not always have to be the case, and I'm going to tell you honestly, my husband doesn't bring me flowers on every single Mother's Day, Valentine's, birthday, and everything else. He will pick and choose where he wants to make me feel special, and during the other holidays, I don't get flowers. Maybe this isn't ideal for you. Maybe you want him to show you appreciation in every single way, in every single holiday. And if that is the case, then you need to deliver your value to him so that he understands why it's so important to you. And it would be really smart for you to deliver why this benefits him. Because men think differently, and they often think about the result that they are going to get from a certain action. And if the result isn't something that they desire, if it isn't worth it for them, they won't invest their time and their resources into making that thing happen. So think about how you can do that. Here's why my relationship works for me. I know that when my husband gets me flowers on a random Tuesday, it's because he genuinely wanted to, and I wasn't expecting it, so it's a surprise. And I also really value the way that he treats me for the most part, and I also really value what our relationship is today versus what it was before, when we didn't understand each other, when there were a lot of fears involved, with a lot of insecurities, maybe with a lot of selfish perspectives also, and narratives at play in the relationship. I'm definitely happy with the way that things are now. I feel like it's more meaningful when he does something randomly than if he does it on a holiday when everybody else is receiving flowers, because it's either kind of like expected, or men do it so that you don't yell at them or make them feel less than. Of course, it's always nice to receive attention and flowers and gifts, maybe nice perfumes or things that you like. But if he's going to do it, just to get out of the way, he's doing it out of necessity instead of out of desire. It is completely normal for your relationship to have fluctuations. There are times when your partner invests more into you, and then there are times when he is more reserved or he's concentrated on something else. So if you're going through one of those dips instead of a peak where you want to be, don't feel bad. Don't start thinking that there's something wrong and you're losing the spark, you're losing your connection, because most likely that is not the case. But if you do know that that is for sure what is going on, you need to start raising your value. And I have a video about this already on my channel that you can watch after this video, because I think it's also very important. It's very important for pretty much every woman in a relationship to know. Women are amazing creatures because we have the power to create an atmosphere around us, and men do this too, but because we're such emotional beings, because we care about feelings and about all the feminine things, we create what men know they can and can't do with us or to us. So if you're noticing a pattern in your relationship that you don't like, you need to start examining what you're doing to contribute to that situation. And if you can't find what's going on and you think it's just your partner's fault, make sure to book a one-on-one call with me because we can talk about that. And I guarantee you there's at least something that you're doing that is contributing to that situation, whether you realize it or not. If you've tried to communicate your value to him in the past about receiving flowers, about him investing time, and he doesn't do much about it, you can try in a different way. Try telling him in a different way. But if you're not raising your value at the same time, chances are it's not going to change much because he's comfortable and he got used to the way things are and he's used to thinking about you in a certain way. So it does take time for things to change and shift, but they will if you're doing the work. Work with your insecurities, work with your fears, work with feeling confident in yourself, with having some kind of mission and future desire in life other than having just him, the relationship, and what you're building together. Just something for yourself is going to make a huge difference in the way that you see your life with this man. That's all I have for this video. If there was something that you really wanted to hear and I didn't tell you, or something that you're wondering, want me to make a video about next, leave it down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I want to wish you all of the love in your love life, and I will see you in my next video.